Hi, Repo Gadgets again. KFC and their secret recipe. There's no such thing as a secret recipe, especially when it comes to me. As soon as I put it in my mouth, I know exactly what's in it. So I'm going to show you exactly what's in KFC chicken. It'll taste exactly the same, except for the grease and the nastiness and the slime that you get from KFC. So, guess what, KFC? Don't put your ads on my videos. I don't care how much you want to pay me. Don't do it. You messed up when you changed the recipe back in '89. You had your own farms. Now you buy your stuff from China, Pakistan. You had your own chicken farms and you messed it up. So I'm giving out your recipe. Here are 11 spices and herbs and so on. Right. There's only 4. Follow my recipe. You'll find out. Tastes exactly the same. So I'll set you up here, show you how I do it. Okay. Got my chicken. Put you in view here. Okay. And garlic salt. Sprinkle it on there. Take some black pepper. Sprinkle that on there. Take some good old-fashioned table salt. And here is the main ingredient to KFC. I'm going to put some flour on that. I used to have nothing bad to say about KFC until they changed the recipe. Okay, I just flipped the chicken over. I'm going to do a little bit more pepper. A little bit more salt. Not much. You don't want to oversalt your chicken. I can't use any more garlic salt. Let's see. Celery seed or celery powder. Either one works. Okay, I'm going to dunk it in my chicken albumin, also known as eggs. And put it back in the flour. You don't have to be pretty. Make sure the egg coats the chicken right. Okay. Oh, I gotta wash my hands real quick. Wow, that's hot water. And I'm gonna cover the chicken with flour. And then kind of just take the flour underneath the chicken and make sure the flour sucks up the egg. I got a pan behind me, has nothing but corn oil in it. The way KFC used to do it. Now they use olive oil and they don't use the pressure cookers anymore. Another thing they changed. And basically, I'll put these in the fryer. And I'll move the camera as soon as I wash my hands. Grody. Alrighty, I'm going to move the camera now. Hopefully nothing breaks, nothing falls. But if it does, you see it. Alrighty, there's my chicken. There's my bowl. Clean my bowl. Alright, I got the chicken going. You gotta keep moving it or it'll stick to the bottom of the pan. And you gotta have this heat up way up high or it won't crisp right. Okay. Now I'm gonna make lemon cupcakes. Everybody loves this stuff. This is the main thing I wanted to show people. Stuff in my way. Show you guys on YouTube. It's not all that fancy. Just put stuff together. Alright. Just basic. I don't follow the directions. I never have. It's just basic to keep. Just basic cheap Betty Crocker lemony cakes. Says to add oil. I never added oil to this. Yeah, got that done. I'm going to use cold water for this. Alright. Need a fork rig. And a couple of eggs. With my chicken. You gotta flip this stuff constantly or you'll flake it out. So stick to the pan, so on and so forth. Now KFC uses a special deep fryer, they used to. To make the outer skin way crunchy. Well, I don't do that. For the simple reason is my teeth can't handle it. Oops, I think I added too much water. I did add too much water. Alright. Now, KFC uses a special deep fryer, they used to. To make the outer skin way crunchy. Well, I don't do that. For the simple reason is my teeth can't handle it. I did add too much water. just basically make it into a cake mix. And that is it. And don't worry about the lumps. Lumps will cook out. And my heat on my oven. Okay. Chicken like this always takes at least 45 minutes. I don't care what you're cooking, it takes 45 minutes. How hot your heat is, or anything else, it's still going to take 45 minutes. Or you're going to end up with raw chicken. Okay. See, put some direction in my direction. I'd deep fry this, but why? There's no sense in it. A little bit more oil to the pan. Just basic old corn oil. I don't edit my videos. Like always, I never edit my videos. Let's see, big spoon. I need a big spoon. Lemony cupcakes. Now, I think you can see my pan from there. Basically, just put it in there almost to the top, but not quite. Something similar to that. Now this is an old pan, so you gotta give me credit for that. I still think this is a little too thin for my taste. I think I'm gonna do the next batch a little bit thicker. Maybe I'm screwing up. Who cares? It's my lemony cakes. Nobody else is going to eat them except for me and my favorite person in the world. Oh, Roxanne. Oh, yeah. I got me a Roxanne. You can't have one. Basically do the same thing. I've been doing this for years, and I don't measure anything, so it can get a little weirded out. They think I over-salt and over-flavor, overdo everything. And Well, say that to the people who used to eat at my restaurant, and they'd slap you in the head. Okay, turn down the heat. Let's see. Got about 30 minutes from now, and the chicken will be done. But I'm doing this for the lemony cakes, mainly. Yes, I can copy any recipe. If you have it, I already know it. I don't care how specialty cook you are. It don't matter. I already got the recipe in my head if I ever ate it. So, basically, all you're doing is standing there watching chicken fry. Look, a chicken fry. Why did the chicken cross the road? Because it frickin' wanted to. I don't know what else to say. It's basically watching chicken fry. Okay, here in about 5 minutes I can actually leave this alone. And flip it in another 20 minutes or so. And the chicken won't be dry as a popcorn fart. Like that KFC. Please don't put your ads on my food thing. Please. I don't like your food anymore. And don't slam the oven when you're doing the lemon cakes. You'll understand later. And my favorite topping for lemony cakes is cream cheese. I love cream cheese. Gotta warm it up though. Right there. It's expensive, but well worth it. Now the lemony cakes you gotta watch constantly. One little misstep and they're ruined. That's why I'm leaving this video on, so you can actually see me do it and how long it takes to do it. crunch time on the lemony muffins. Okay, you don't add this to the little cupcakes until well after they're cool. But you have to take them out of the pan while they're still hot. Please, people. Just put some cooking spray in the dang little dealies. Let the little dealies sit with the cooking spray for at least 5 minutes, or they will stick. I'm going to try and show you just how easy it is to remove my little lemony cakes out of this pan, or my pan reserved for the nest. Where is my... Oh, there it is. Just getting rid of my mess. Look, hey, would somebody on YouTube throw out my garbage for me? The lazy bastard. Don't worry if it flakes off a little bit. I'm going to make gravy out of that. And KFC specialty gravy is actually a mixture of pepper gravy and brown gravy. It's like half and half. So don't let them fool you. I know I'm hitting hard on KFC, but they hit hard on me when I went there. About $20 worth of chicken. Got probably $3 worth of chicken. The rest was a mouthful of grease and nastiness and cheap pre-made crap. Now don't cover the spigot. There's one big secret. Don't cover it. KFC used to use these pressure cookers, but they got rid of them back in the, I think it was 95. And they got rid of the pressure cookers. 93? I don't know. I had my restaurant, so I wasn't paying attention to other people or other restaurants. All I knew was my food tasted good. And it's sold. Oh, damn, it's in the hell out of my chicken. Don't flip it like I do. Mess it up. Yeah, like I said, I don't edit my videos. All mistakes are seen. Every damn one of them. My lemons are turning out perfect. It's kind of funny that one ingredient on KFC is the only thing that separated everybody else. Celery seed. And everybody fell for it. Including me. I fell for it. I fell for it until I was, 16, 17 years old. Then I was like, aha! I recognize that taste. I was a big celery fan. So, and I grew celery, so I kind of put two and two together. There was no secret ingredient. It's like SpongeBob SquarePants and his Krabby Patty. Yeah. If I ate one of those Krabby Patties once, I could make it exactly the same. If there was such a thing as a Krabby Patty. I still think that cartoon's funnier now. I haven't seen it in a while. A few years, 10, 9 years, something like that. Got a few minutes left on the lemony. I love those things. And these are your basic chicken thighs. They're the only ones that I could find with little to no water in them. Isn't it great to just watch chicken fry? So exciting. Look, an alien! Oh. Yeah. It's not very exciting to watch chicken fry. It's like watching water boil. Okay, right now, I gotta make sure this oven's doing right and test my lemon cakes. I got an old fashioned toothpick. Yeah, about 4 more minutes on those, and we'll be done. Oh, my toothpick is completely dry. That's the way you want it. Now the chicken at this stage, you only want to flip them about every 10-20 minutes. You don't want to overdo it, overheat them. You don't want your stove to be so freaking hot it's just crackling all over the place. It should sound exactly like this. My lemony cakes are almost done. Well, I can turn off the oven now. Yes, I can open the frosting to show you just how much I don't care how stuff looks, and as long as it tastes good. I'd be mistaken on my time on this chicken. This chicken holds a lot of water in it. I don't know about your grocery stores, but my grocery store sucks. Okay, my lemony cakes are done. I'm going to move you over so you can see just how easy it is to get them out of my pans. They should look like that. Exactly like this. Any more than this, and you're messing up. Ouch. They're cold. I swear. They freshly out of the oven. They're cold. These were in the back of the oven, as you can clearly see. We're little mini ovens and muffins. And if your little cupcakes don't come out like this, out of that little oven thingy, you're messing up badly. Okay. Most of these are going to be eaten immediately. But as soon as they cool down, this stuff is going on it. And a lot of it. I don't get cheap with this stuff. So, my chicken is frying. You learned something from KFC. And Betty Crocker can kiss my ass with her recipe. 'Cause mine are better. Even though I use her mix. I don't add oil. And I don't add as many eggs. And my lemon cakes are perfect. So, see you next time on this YouTube thingy. So there,